Hey guys, it's Dominique again, and today I'm doing a DIY. If you want to see how I turn this Dollar Tree hat into something that's not so Dollar Tree, keep watching. Okay guys, so I bought two of these hats. They're just really flimsy, pretty basic, pretty beige, and they're pretty just super floppy, which I don't really like floppy hats. But I was going to Hawaii and I needed a hat, so I decided to look at the Dollar Tree and they have this hat here, and it's not that cute. So I decided to do DIY, and first of all, I just want to cut off the tags, and then cut off the string that was around it. It's cute, but it's not my style or what I was going for. So I used regular paint for the tan one, and then for the black one, I used fabric paint. And what I found out was that when I used the fabric paint, it kind of left the hat feeling rubbery, and it also took a very long time to dry. So as you can see in this video, I'm cutting off the string and it's like hot glued on, so I end up just taking off all the hot glue pieces on it because I just didn't want it on there while I painted it because I thought that would look a little weird. Okay, so now this next part that I'm doing to make the hat a little more firm, although the paint already made it firm, I wanted it to be a little more firm, so I mixed in glue and water and basically making like how you'd make like paper mache and stuff like that. I put it on the hat and then I let it sit overnight for it to harden, and it made it a lot more stiffer. I unfortunately didn't get the black hat, so all I have is the tan hat. But that's pretty much all I did, and all of the products were under $1. So this is totally doable. A hat for $5 that looks kind of professional.